Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Dalsheim, and I want to tie something in with our study of soil, our study of worms, looking under our rotting log and on our rotting log. This is a story called What Do Roots Do? It's not actually a story, it's really a non-fiction text telling you information. It'll tie in with that gardening project right now too. So What Do Roots Do by Kathleen V. Kudlinski, illustrated by David Schupert. And I'm reading it to you outside because we are outside now. The dedication page says, "For my wonderful kids," and that's written by the author, but I'm dedicating this reading to my wonderful kids, and that's you. So, what do roots do for their plants up above? They hold them up straight when the wind gives a shove. They hold them upright when the ground's on a slant. They hold them in place if you play on a plant. I like the rhyming in this book. I see bunnies all around my neighborhood. Do you see them near yours? How else do they use this underground link? Plants are all thirsty. They use roots to drink. You sometimes use a straw, or just a glass, or a cup. The roots branch out small, then tinier still. Then teeny root hairs drink the thirsty plant's fill. Roots suck water in, then they send it up high, through tubes far too tiny to see with your eye. So there's a magnifying glass showing you what they look like up close. It zooms it in. Water flows up through rootlets, then tap roots. The illustrations are fantastic. And trunk, then branches. And twigs until each leaf's drunk all the water it needs. And then way up there, the rest blows away on a breeze in the air. Palm, pine, or maple, it's always true. Half of the tree will be hidden from you. Now, mathematically speaking, it doesn't look exactly like half to me. It looks like a large portion, but not quite half. Shadowed by treetops, green ferns and moss grow. So do their roots in the darkness below. In sunny yards full of grass, weeds, and clover, you could see all the roots if you turned the dirt over, but you wouldn't do that. It wouldn't be wise. When you break off roots, often a plant dies. Your garden is brightest and makes the most flowers when the roots have been watered by hose or by showers. So the botanist would be watering the plants right now. Food grows in the garden, in vegetable row. Some ripens in sunshine, but some hides below. Carrot and radish, potato and beet. The underground root is the part that we eat. And this page is actually why I'm reading the book to you, because I got so excited that I love carrots. My dog Cindy loves carrots, so I have lots of carrots. So I took this carrot, a carrot like this one, cut it about here, put it in a little container of water, and look what started happening out of the top. It started growing. So I don't see any roots down here, do you? I did it with another one. This I just started a few days ago. So this is very little compared to this one, which I started 2 weeks ago. So I don't see roots, or is the carrot the root? We just heard a bit of information. I'm also trying to grow an avocado. So I took an avocado. The dark part is because it's been resting in water. I'm seeing if I could grow an avocado plant right now. The book inspired me. Maybe it'll inspire you. When we studied the Hopi, you learned all about the desert and what grows in the desert. The roots of a cactus spread far to the sides or reach deep in soil for water that hides. And even in ponds, water lilies have found the best way to grow is with roots in the ground. next time you go out kayaking or in a lake or a pond, notice those lilies. They're pretty amazing. They're beautiful, and you could see the roots right under the water. So under each tree is a tree made of roots, and under each rose and beneath bamboo shoots, at whatever you look at a plant, short or tall. Remember, you don't see the whole thing at all. So this book, this has about the author and about the illustrator, and the information that it shares is pretty interesting because the author loves nature. She taught science in elementary school for a long time, and now she's the author of 32 books. And the artist is an award-winning artist with a wide range of themes, from natural science and wildlife to portraits. So this particular book is in verse. I really liked it. I hope you liked it too, and you're going to keep learning about nature because this is the perfect season for you to go outside, maybe help a parent or somebody else do some planting and water what you plant. What I just did was I just planted these, which is why I'm doing it out here, and I'm watering them every day. I just planted them a few days ago. Have a good day.